This is a 1966 Chevelle 396 Super Sport. It's in Marina Blue. Black vinyl top. This is all numbers matching. Look at this. This is the real deal, ladies and gentlemen. Gotta love those pipes. Four-speed Hurst shifter, 4-speed transmission. This is an absolutely gorgeous car. Gorgeous. I'm sure my camera is picking up more of the high-pitched sounds, but this motor sounds really nice. Nice and easy to shut. Let's look at these door frames. See if it'll focus on that. Door code. No rust anywhere. Look how tight that upholstery is. For more information, give us a call at Maclay Motors, 1-850-877-2600. Look us up on the web at maclaymotors.org.